The rental was like 30K.
Nelson, what do you do?
I'm a businessman in the F&B line for the past 17 years. I became a self-made millionaire when I was 30. I started the brand Ayam Penyet in Malaysia. I have no idea how to cook at all. The only thing that I have in common with the food and beverage industry is I love to eat. Bought the recipe from another Ayam Penyet brand in Indonesia that was doing very well. They had about 50 branches all over Indonesia. The first outlet was in Sunway Pyramid. It was a very scary experience because the rental was like 30K.
Wow.
Somebody was starting first outlet in an unknown country. I didn't know anybody here. That was a scary experience, but I thought I would burn the bridge. And there's no other possible way to retreat but to succeed. And I really did my due diligence really well. By the grace of God, the business took off pretty quickly. In less than 1 year, I made back all the ROI.
How many branches do you have at the height of the business?
We have like about 6, 7 of them. I started to franchise them out. Then COVID happened. We survived like the 3 rounds of lockdown. And after lockdown, the business skyrocketed. Everybody started coming out. That was when, at the peak of a business, I decided to sell the business.
Wow, congratulations.
One of my franchisees was actually interested in it.
Okay.
And I sold it all to him.
So you made your millions by selling your business off?
Yes.
So what are you doing right now then?
I'm still in the F&B line.
Okay.
I bought a franchise.
Okay, I'll be sure. Okay,
Yes.
cool.
And we have shops in Indonesia,
Okay.
Malaysia, and also in Philippines.
Wow. So you're on to your next journey right now.
That's right.